Hi everyone, I'm drawing the Frozen movie characters. Come and join me. Let's begin by drawing Kristoff. Kristoff takes care of the ice business in Arendelle. Kristoff loves the outdoors and the snowy mountains. Do you like playing outside in the snow? Then, let's draw Anna. Anna is always full of energy and ready to play. Anna has a beautiful singing voice. Do you like to sing songs with your friends? I'm drawing Olaf. Olaf's favorite season is summer, even though he's a snowman. Isn't that funny? What's your favorite season? Olaf's laugh is so contagious and happy. Can you make a funny laugh like Olaf? Next, let's draw Elsa. Elsa can create ice and snow with a wave of her hand. Elsa and Anna have a special sister bond. Do you have a special bond with your sibling or best friend? Lastly, I'm drawing Sven. Sven is always by Kristoff's side and loves adventures. Sven is a helpful reindeer who always helps Kristoff. Do you like helping your friends too? We're ready. Let's color them together. It looks great. They are all wonderful. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.